state in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is still fixed on the contents of the confession statement, which alleged lookout man Muzi Sibiya distanced himself from. The focus was on the statement where Sibiya is alleged to have indicated that they had gone to see a traditional healer about whether or not they would succeed in killing the soccer star Senzo Meyiwa. The traditional healer then gave them what is referred to inhlanhla emhlophe, meaning white luck, and later cleansed them after the job. The state is of the view that this is corroborated by the testimony of the traditional healer, who also told the court that he had also seen a Sibiya who he had helped.
Surgeon Mohola did testify that Constable Buthelezi brought you in Brigadier Gininda's office there at Eraten, and that he identified you as the person who came to consult him with two other people.
There was never a stage where I was taken to layman Zwane. It was never a point where I had seen this layman Zwane. Lion Zwane. I have never visited that person. I was seeing this person for the very first time here in court. These are all lies.
Mkulu help us to rinse ourselves with other medicine to remove the bad luck.
I know nothing of what is written here.
But the defense objected to this, saying even Zwane was given a chance to identify Sibiya in court, but he did not. Instead, he described a taller man.
I realize that the state is referring to the testimony of Mohula. We still have to come and deal with the testimony of Mohula when we argue about whether or not she should be a credible witness. So, but come closer home here is the state says, and that was the base for my objection, the state says, Lionel Zwane said it is you, referring to this witness here, or to Mr. Sibiya, him as an accused, now standing as a witness. Then I object and say, no, but Zwane never said it is you, as the state is putting it. And then the court invites the state to respond. In its response, the state reads passages from Zwane's evidence. I still have to hear in those passages that the state has referred to the court to, where Zwane says, this Sibiya that I spoke to on that day is this Sibiya that is before court here. I still have to hear it from those passages. And this is primary evidence. The person who says, yes, the people who came to me, they wanted they wanted me to assist them with this and that, that came here in that very same box and said, I had a very close proximity with the person that I actually interacted with on that day. It was very close. But where in, and that is primary evidence, as compared to Mohola's evidence, which is secondary evidence. Now, the source of the primary evidence says, that Sibiya that I spoke to that day, I don't see him here at court. And that was under cross-examination by Ms. Mshololo.
The state responded to this objection.
The passages that I've quoted make it very clear that Mr. Zwane was taken to police station, and his evidence, read with the evidence of Mhola, is that she was taken to Eraten, and whilst Brigadier Gininda was reading his rights to him, Constable Buthelezi walked in with the accused. And Mr. Lionel Zwane then identified the accused, said, this is Sibiya guy that I was talking to, and his words were, I asked him, what's wrong, why have you now been arrested?
It's since been agreed that this will form part of argument. Cross-examination continues on Tuesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.